Grading Guideline 6 deals with the calculation of grades. Here you see the equal interval grading scale adopted by Central. The purpose of implementing the equal interval scale is to eliminate the disproportional impact of the wide percentage range of an F in comparison to other grades as seen in most traditional grading scales. The scale seen here is used by all teachers at Central when calculating grades. This scale provides an equal interval point distribution based on percentage or rubric score. Teachers enter either a percent correct or a rubric score into the gradebook for each task. A teacher may use both types of scores within their gradebook. Each percentage correct or rubric score is assigned a corresponding value based on the equal interval scale. That corresponding value, reflected in the middle column, is the value used for calculation. With the implementation of the equal interval scale, Central also eliminated the D grade, since we believe students must demonstrate proficiency of the learning goals of a given course in order to receive a passing grade. Look at the corresponding values in each grade range of this scale. As you can see, the range for an A is 11 percentage points when you include 100. The B range is 10 points, and so is the C range. The F range, however, spans 19 percentage points. This is because it includes what would have been the range for a D. If we look more closely at the scale, we can see how it eliminates the disproportional impact of an F. A percent correct score of 82 has a corresponding value of 81% in the equal interval scale. A 2.5 rubric score also has a corresponding value of 81. If we move to the F range and look at a percent correct score of 30 to 33%, we can see that the corresponding value in the equal interval scale is 59%. A 0.7 on rubric score also has a corresponding value of 59%. You can see how this scale eliminates the disproportional impact of an F that is seen in traditional grading. When a student has a missing assessment, the teacher enters an M, which is the designated grade for missing work. An M has the equivalent value of 0. The use of an equal interval scale supports grading for learning. We want students to know that with hard work and effort, they can be academically successful. Within a traditional grading scale, students who perform poorly early in a grading period often have no motivation to improve because of the difficulty in overcoming the tremendous impact of the F. We believe the implementation of this equal interval scale, along with our other grading guidelines, provides motivation for student improvement and increased achievement. Please take time to look closely at this scale and become very familiar with it. It is the grading scale you will use in your classroom.